Hello kids, welcome back. Okay, hope everybody are fine. Yes? Okay. So today we are going to do some finger exercises. So which helps you to strengthen your finger muscles. Okay, shall we start? Yes. Okay, so watch my fingers carefully how I'm going to do, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Give a clap. Very good. Okay, fine. Now we are going to repeat this exercise one more time. Shall we start? Yes. 1. Yes, come along with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yay! Very good. Okay, now one more exercise. Shall we do? Yes. Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. Now repeat this exercise 2 times. Okay. The next exercise is that the repeat process. So first we start with this finger, right? That is your little finger. Now we are going to start with the index finger. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yay! Super! Right? Give a clap. Okay, and the last but not the least exercise is twine. Shall we start? Yes. Now we are going to join the 2 fingers. First is index and the thumb finger. 1. Next is middle finger. 2. Next is ring finger. 3. Then your little finger. 4. Repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same you can use for your left finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so keep practicing all these exercises and give a video of yours.